what he's got there. Now, if he keeps the car moving in a turtle crawl, it's just a very slow movement, you'll manage to maintain that volume of smoke. So the track is wet, but it's not that wet that it's going to stop him. But of course, whether it can maintain it or not, he's actually at a stationary there. But he said, we want to have a bit of smoke going into the crowd. That's what we want to have. And so you've got the overhead camera from here looking out down there on it. Of course, and the madman's done it, so we get a slightly different view. Turns around there, and of course that's where that's going to start building the volume. Got enough there. At least you've all got a smell of the whip of it to turn around and say, yeah. You can see by the shine, even as you look on the big screen, you can see the shine that's on the surface. That is a very hard surface at the moment for to be able to get the car to be smoking away. He's got to watch it, he's got a low barrier in front of him there, so he's going to get himself boxed into a corner where the only way he can get out is to go in reverse. Holding on a stationary there, try and get the volumes up again. He can't go forward with it. I don't think he's left himself enough room between the walls to be able to turn. Hasn't quite got the same volume of smoke in amongst there, so obviously not getting the wheel to turn quite as hard as what it was. Work out which way to go. Normally in a burnout competition, this would be costing me a lot of points. But he loses for being stationary. The track being like it is, like I'm just going to reason why. I can see with some of them spots there, I just saw a couple come down the window, mate. They were a little bit more than what they were earlier.